Hello, welcome, dear students. Now we have already discussed the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and process of finding the HCF and LCM and already solved some problem of exercise. Now today we discuss about the exercise 1.2 question number 7, and I am solving this question again in front of you because this type of question, there is the word problem, I will solve in front of you, because if I solve previously and I will show the answer, then you will not understand properly. That's why I am solving in front of you. Okay, let's start. What is the question? There is a circular path around a sport field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, which Robbie takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. Okay, after how many minutes will they meet again starting point? Suppose there is a circular field. Okay, now Sonia takes 18 minutes to cover one round. So after 18 minutes, Sonia cover this round, and suppose I am drawing same field here also. Robbie takes 12 minutes to cover one round. 12 minutes. Okay. So after 18 minutes from starting, Sonia will be here, and after 12 minutes Robbie will be here. Suppose this is same field and both Sonia and Robbie starting from this point. So after 12 minutes Robbie will be here, and after 18 minutes Sonia will be here. Okay, then again 18 minutes, that means 18 plus 18, 36 minutes Sonia will be here, and again after 12 minutes, 12 plus 12, 24 minutes Robbie will be here. Okay, again then after 12 minutes Sonia will be here, because after 12 minutes Sonia cover again another one round. Okay, so after 36 plus 18, 54 they will again here, and Robbie also after 12 minutes, that means after 3 round he will be here, that is 36. Okay, again after 12 minutes Robbie will be here, that means this is first round, this is second round, this is third round, this is first round, second round, third round. Okay, and fourth round he will be 40, after 48 minutes they will complete fourth round, and after 72 minutes Sonia complete fourth round. Now what I am seeing, that after 12, then 24, then 36, then 48, after 12 minutes Robbie complete one round. Again Sonia after 18 minutes complete one round. Now what I am seeing here, that after 12 minutes Robbie complete one first round, after 18 minutes Sonia complete first round, after 24 Robbie complete second round, after 36 minutes Sonia complete second round. Now after 3 round, that is after 36 minutes he complete third round. Okay, after 36 minutes he complete third round. That means after third round Robbie will be here, and the same time, that means after 36 minutes Sonia will be again here. Because after 36 minutes Robbie complete third round, and after 36 Sonia complete second round. So what we are finding, actually we are finding the multiples of 12, multiples of 12 and multiples of 18. Okay, and the after how many times they will meet? After 36 minutes. But how we will get in mathematically? Now we are seeing that we are finding the multiples of 12 and multiples of 18, and actually the least common multiple 36, that is there after 36 minutes they will meet each other. So what we have to find? Least common multiple. So 36 is the common multiple and it is the common. Okay, and if you see after 5th Ravi will complete for 60 minutes, then 6th round he will complete 72 minutes. Now again 72 is the common minute. After 72 Ravi completes 6th round, Sonia completes 72. So these are their common point. After these minutes they will reach here at the starting point. So we are finding that least common multiple. So what we have to multiple? So we have to find LCM of 12 and 18, and we know the finding process of 12 and 18. So we have to find prime factorization. Now 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1, and for 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. So you can write 12 equal to 2 multiply 3, and 18 equal to, you can write 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so that's equal to, you can write 2 square into 3, and this equal to write 2 into 3 square. Now we have already discussed the formula of finding the LCM. For finding LCM you have to show the common factor first. These are 2 is common. Now you have 3 also, and for LCM we have to write the maximum power of the common factor, maximum power. So here 2 is common factor and here power is 2, here is 1. So which is the biggest? This is 2, this is the highest power, so we have to write 2 square. And the common factor again 3 is common factor, and which is the bigger power, which is the largest power? This is 2, so you have to write this factor 3 square. So LCM equal to 4 into 9, so that is 36. So what will be our answer? So hence after 36 minutes Ravi and Sonia meet again at starting point. Okay, understood? So we have to find the LCM. Okay, thank you.